Good morning, everyone. Today we all are going to learn about the first chapter of computer of class 2nd, that is working of computer. A computer is a machine that works with information or data. These informations are also called raw data. We can use the computer for our personal work, so we can call it a personal computer or PC. All the inputs given to the computer are called raw data. The results or output produced by the computer are known as meaningful information. Control unit. This unit controls all the parts of a computer. All the processings are done in this unit. It sends result back to the memory from where they reach the output device. Commands. Commands are the type or of orders. They start from the control unit and reach other parts of the computer to instruct them to process the data. Data. Data is a fact or figure. Data moves from the input device to the memory. From there, it goes as per the commands to be processed, and finally, it moves the output device. Input devices. Keyboard, mouse, etc. are the main input devices through which we feed data into the CPU. Output device. Output devices are used to obtain the output of the processed data. The devices which fetch the information from the computer and make them available to us are known as output devices. Memory. Memory is an important part of CPU. When any information is fed into the computer, the CPU first sends it to the memory and store it there. ALU. The arithmetical and the logical functions are carried out in this part of the computer. In this unit, different problems are processed and the decisions are taken to solve these problems. Many machines have computer in themselves. We use some of them every day in our home or at our school. They help us to solve our problems or to make daily tasks easier, like calculator, inverter, etc. All the raw data fed into the computer is called data entry, which in another term is also known as input of data. Meaningful result given by the computer to print is known as output. As you know, education is the important in our life. Computer invented the education system. Schools, colleges, and almost all kinds of educational institutions are used a computer in the classrooms. There are so many colleges and universities are now providing only online degree programs for college students. Computers are the most important educational tools for teachers and learners. YouTube, blogs, e-books, newsletters, e-newspaper, etc. Such educational tools are not possible without a computer that we are using today. Use of computer in the business. Computer with the internet connection, we can start the business, run the business and manage the business, and we can grow business by the use of computer. Business and companies use a computer to do marketing and business planning. They use a computer to record customer data. They use a computer to manage goods and services. Almost all kinds of business are using computer in their daily official works, such Microsoft Office to create professional looking documents, Excel spreadsheets to manage goods and services. PowerPoint for project presentations are common these days. Thank you.